Recently, devastating floods have struck Sukabumi, West Java, Indonesia, affecting a large portion of the city. 66 areas have been identified as impacted, with most being flooded, and some additionally suffering from landslides. The village of Shikondang was particularly affected, where heavy rains caused houses to collapse and retaining walls to be destroyed, further escalating the disaster. The extreme weather conditions that triggered this catastrophe included strong winds and rains that began in the afternoon and continued into late evening. This not only caused flooding, but also uprooted trees, damaging homes and roads. Local emergency services are still assessing the damage and providing aid to the affected regions. Fortunately, no casualties have been reported at this time.
Jalan ini, samping tandon itu. Dia paritnya kecil. Dia dua cabang dia modelnya gini.
The situation remains difficult as landslides and fallen trees hinder access to the affected areas. Local authorities have deployed rescue teams to assist those left homeless or trapped by infrastructure damage. Damaged roads are complicating the delivery of humanitarian aid, and the destruction of homes is forcing people to evacuate.
Ini terjadi juga di halaman kantor BRI.
Thank you all for watching this video and subscribing to the channel. The team and I constantly monitor all global events related to extreme weather phenomena and create the freshest and most relevant videos for you. Subscribe to always stay updated on the latest news about natural disasters. There will be even more interesting content ahead.